So lumabas kami ni Clement. We went out for lunch and we went to ICM. It's Ikeja City Mall. Malapit lang siya sa aming hotel. And it looks very nice. This is on the rooftop and the restaurant and bar called Rhapsody. And we ordered some cocktail. I had some caipirinha. Clement had Blue Lagoon. Well, Clement don't really drink that much because it's cocktail. But I think he enjoyed it. He finished it. And my favorite cocktail in the world, caipirinha. And then Clement had fettuccine. I think that's how you pronounce it. It's so yummy though. It's so yummy and so creamy. And then we also ordered some T-bone with some French fries and some sauce. So if you're a foreigner, you're in like Ikeja or something, you're looking for a very quick like foreign food, if you're having a break from Nigerian food, then go there. It's really good. We recommend it. You'll recommend it, don't you, babe? We'll recommend it. It was so good. And we paid about, in pounds, I think it's about 40 pounds for all of those with cocktails, and the food wasn't really that bad, to be honest. And yeah, we really enjoyed the food. The ambience was so good, and also the view from the rooftop. You know, Clement has a good idea, really. He said, you know, it's nice there in the nighttime. And I do agree, if you go there in the nighttime, it will look so nice because it's on the rooftop and you'll see the outside world. So good, this food. And then we just move on from that. Ayan, sinubuan niya ako. Ganyan talaga. Magsubuan kaming dalawa. Hindi talaga ako maseryoso sa buhay, no? Kasi in love nga kami. Ano ba kayo? Wag na kayong basta yun na yun. At ang weather dito sa Nigeria, it's like Philippines, humid and hot. And it's so nice. So just to let you know. Look, the sun is out. And we are heading back to our hotel. It's not really that far, maybe 5-10 minutes drive. If there is no traffic, and that's this side of the road. It really feels like Philippines. And those are some of the photos from our lunch date. O, diba? Ayan, o. Char! Ang gwapo ng boyfriend ko. Ang sarap niya, mama. Love you guys, mua. Enjoy!